Team Corrali is known for delivering high-performance models built for power, speed, and durability. These machines combine advanced engineering with precision components, making them ideal for competitive racing and extreme bashing. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best Team Corrali RC cars you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which toys and games topic you'd like to see in our next videos. The Team Corrali Punisher 4 is a bold 1:10 scale monster truck built for intense off-road action. Perfect for any RC enthusiast, from newcomers to experienced bashers, it combines raw power, advanced engineering, and unmatched durability. The Punisher 4's aggressive styling is backed by the proven SYNCRO 4 platform, designed to tackle the toughest terrain with ease. At the core of this beast lies a Curon 725 4-pole, 2150 kV sensorless brushless motor, and a Torox 135 electronic speed control. With the capability to use 4 S-LiPo batteries, it reaches speeds over 50 miles per hour, delivering thrilling power. Precision steering comes from the HV7225 digital high-speed servo with 25 kilograms of torque, ensuring sharp, accurate control. The CT2 S2.4 GHz transmitter offers a range of over 650 feet, with an adjustable steering dual rate and a power switch for all skill levels. The truck's suspension system, borrowed from the Radix 6 and Skeeter, includes heavy-duty components like wide steering blocks, CNC machined arm holders, and composite big-bore shocks for superior handling. Its drivetrain features a 52-tooth spur gear, steel outdrive cups, and central drive shafts, built for strength and precision. Unleash your competitive edge with the Team Corrali SYNCRO, a 1:8 scale two-wheel drive brushless buggy crafted for high-speed off-road excitement. Perfect for beginners and experienced RC enthusiasts, the SYNCRO combines power, precision, and durability in a ready-to-run package. Built on the reliable SYNCRO 4 platform, this rear-wheel drive buggy delivers sharp handling and quick response. The Pulse G2 135 ESC paired with the Curon 725 brushless motor ensures explosive acceleration and impressive top-end speed, making every run thrilling. With the CT2S transmitter, you can adjust power settings from 50% to 100%, tailoring control for technical tracks or wide-open speed runs. Durability is key, and the SYNCRO takes inspiration from Team Corrali's renowned 6S machines. Equipped with a rugged suspension system, reinforced steering blocks, and heavy-duty arms, it's built to handle big jumps, rough landings, and intense racing. The big-bore composite shocks and lightweight chassis add stability on unpredictable terrain. The SYNCRO's distinctive wheels feature wider rear tires for grip and narrower front tires for precise steering. Experience next-level off-road excitement with the Team Corrali Kagama 4, a monster truck engineered to dominate any terrain with relentless power and precision. Built on the proven SYNCRO 4 platform, the Kagama 4 is the ultimate fusion of strength, durability, and advanced technology. Whether you're a newcomer seeking a thrill or a seasoned basher pushing limits, this XL4 S-scale beast is ready for the challenge. Powering the Kagama 4 is the robust Curon 725 4-pole, 2150 kV sensorless brushless motor paired with the Torox 135 electronic speed control. Running on 4 S-LiPo batteries, it reaches speeds over 50 miles per hour, unleashing exhilarating acceleration and control. Steering precision is managed by the HV7225 digital high-speed servo, delivering 25 kilograms of torque with durable metal gears. Equipped with the CT2S compact 2.4 GHz transmitter, the Kagama 4 offers responsive control with a range of over 650 feet. Adjustable steering dual rate, servo reverse, and a 50 to 100% power switch make it accessible to all skill levels. The advanced suspension system, Borrowed from the Radix 6 and Skeeter, and heavy-duty composite big-bore shocks ensure exceptional stability and performance across rough terrains. Experience relentless power and performance with the Team Corrali Spark XB6, a true 1-to-8 scale buggy engineered for hardcore bashing. This machine is not just built to handle tough terrain, it thrives on it. Designed through valuable customer feedback, the Spark XB6 sets a new standard in the bashing world. Available in a ready-to-run package for instant action or a rolling chassis for personalized builds, the Spark XB6 caters to every enthusiast. Choose from striking red, green, or blue accents against a matte black base, showcasing bold style alongside serious performance. Powering this beast is the Torox 185A 4-6 SESC paired with a Curon 2050 KV4 pole brushless motor, offering intense speed and torque. Precision steering is guaranteed by the HV7225HV Metal Gear steering servo, while the CT2R 2.4 GHz radio system ensures dependable control. Every detail of the Spark XB6 is crafted for bashing superiority. From its oil-filled aluminum big-bore shocks and CNC aluminum shock towers to the hardened steel drivetrain and sealed metal differentials, the reinforced chassis and independent suspension keep you in control over rugged terrain, while the high downforce wing stabilizes high-speed runs. Take your RC experience to the next level with the Team Corrali Asuga XLR6 SRTR buggy, a powerhouse that redefines bashing. Standing 15% larger than typical 1-to-8 scale buggies, the Asuga XLR is engineered for those who demand superior performance, durability, and handling. Built on a 3mm aluminum chassis with reinforced side guards and a hybrid central chassis brace, the Asuga XLR is as tough as it is precise. The 6S-ready Torox 185 ESC and the Curon 825 2050 kilovolt 4-pole brushless motor deliver breathtaking speed and acceleration. Steering is sharp and reliable with the HV7225 digital high-speed servo, offering 25 kilograms of Metal Gear torque. Handling rough terrain is no issue with 16mm aluminum shocks, CNC milled 5mm shock towers, and durable S2 steel drive shafts. The advanced suspension system features adjustable aluminum motor mounts, 8mm aluminum pin holders, and heavy-duty steering blocks with a pillow ball design. Triple oil-filled differentials paired with CNC cut gears ensure smooth power transfer. Fitted with 130mm Sprint RXA tires, the Asuga XLR grips any surface, while the CT2R 2.4 GHz radio system guarantees precise control. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.